This program is brought to you by Montefrio Garden Resort, your Highland escape.
Ventosa Law Office of Attorney Jose Vicente C. Ventosa III. For appointments, please call 0922 Ventosa or 0922-83-68672. Callers Flower Shop, Rigodon West for wellness, events, sports, and trainings.
Mabuhay o
Madayaw.
Madayaw. Hello, attorney.
June na talaga. So this is episode 17 sa ating ABCD, June 7, 2026. Ayan.
Yes, ang bilis ng panahon, no? And I couldn't believe that it is already Father's Day pala.
Oo. Then nangangalahati na yung 2026. Pukang mabilis na itong mga bare months. Kaya lako, maabot na rin tayo nitong Pasko din, New Year na po, CD.
Yes, oo. And especially tomorrow, Monday, I think balik eskwela na naman.
Traffic na po. Oo. Then kumusta na ba yung mga yung mga siksik, nagbuy na kaya sila ng mga binili nila hanggang today ba yun, o baka bukas pa yung mga diyan, mga promo na mga ating online shopping.
Yan, nag-extend pero wag masyado kasi ang budget dapat para sa pagkain at sa mga adlaw-adlaw nga mga galustohon.
Opo, mahal pa rin ang gasolina. Ewan ko kung bababa ba siya ngayong Tuesday.
My God. But anyway, if you have just joined us, you're watching the first stretch of our program, ABCD, together with your Sunday host, your Sunday habit, CD, Carlo Dolier.
And AB, Attorney Blue Ventosa.
You are watching us through the Kadangpan Digital Facebook page and YouTube channel and attorney.
And of course, our Davao Lawyer Facebook page and Davao Lawyer YouTube channel.
Sa mga nanonood ng replay, kumusta kayo? And I hope you're doing well. And I hope na hindi kayo magsawa sa ating Sunday habit every 5 o'clock in the afternoon.
Yes, oo. Napakainit sa umaga at hapon, tapos umuulan kapag gabi, kaya wag mahiyang magdala ng payong, no, at kaputin. Talaga, iwasan talaga na mabasa kayo. Listen kayo magkasakit, no, labi nating klase na.
Yes, oo. Hindi naging madali, no, pero katong sa mga na-stranded diha nga pila ka adlaw, pila ka gabiin nag-uwan, I don't know kung makauli mamug sayo tungod kay dunay pipila ka bahin sa kung dili man sa syudad, basin sa ubang rehiyon, gabaha na po diya sa kadalanan. Amping po. Yan.
And we have to dispose our garbage properly siguro, kay murag natin problema gamay sa atong garbage collection. Kasi pag ulan, pagbaha na, mabalik ang atong basura sa atong balay.
Oh my goodness. So, I hope yung mga garbage truck lock and loaded, pero sana naman wag naman sa ibang mga dump site na while the katong sa disposal gyud dito sa New Carmen closed pa. Yeah.
Sige
But
lang.
anyway, let's go on na. So much na atong pataas sa iyo utong sa atong intro, no. Kay ang atong episode for today is mga happenings. So we go on to our pangyayari segment.
Alright. Kasi
So,
June na.
June naman karon, no,
Oo.
attorney, no, medyo kadaghan na gyud sa mga awareness consciousness month. Wala ko kasabot kung asa may unahon ani. But
Oo.
I think you're saying something, attorney, no, as you
Yes.
speak.
Of course, I'd like to thank all the people who greeted me on my birthday last June 2. Salamat kayo ha. Wa gid ko thank each and everyone. So kung I'll just hope to our program, magpasalamat ko sa family, friends, mga sa work, sa co-op nga nag-greet sa kong birthday. Magpasalamat ta sa Ginoo nga nagihatagan na puntag isa ka tuig diri sa atong kalibutan.
Yes. Ayan na lang isulti ang edad kay basi
Ayun
ma-jinx.
na lang ko sa
Ayaw na. But anyway,
Of course,
let's go on now sa
oo.
ato ang pangyayari segment, no, attorney, because since this is June, kay murag natabunan naman pod ang wedding month, kay daghang mga Pride Month, mga bisan unsa nga
Yes,
awareness
oo.
to consciousness month for the entire June, to be specific, no? And wala ko kabalo kung unsay unahon nani, but let's go on, since this is Pride Month, and of course conjunction kay si attorney man pod is GAD or God
Yes.
Committee.
So mauna na naapunta siguro mga sa next episode, tanaw na to kung naatay mga features about the Pride Month this month of June.
Yes. In conjunction sa to ang celebration sa Pride Month, because sa mga LGBTQIA+ community, to be specific, and just recently porman nga ang giabli ang Duaw Davao. It's the third Duaw Davao for this year. So syempre daghan man pong mga events ang ginamontar, no, as what we have mentioned before sa mga schedule of activities, attorney, is of course dili mawala kaning pinakabag-o no nga festivity diha sa tuwang syudad, attorney.
Yes, also after araw ng Davao, which is March, we have June, ating Duaw Davao, and of course atong August ang Kadayawan, then katong Pasko Davao on December. So ngayon sa pangalawa na tayong major pangyayari for the city of Davao for this month of June.
Yes. Medyo nabaguhan lang ta, no, bago-bago pa man ni nga festivity, but of course syempre I hope this will be a good vibe for sa mga Davaoenyo ug non-Davaoenyos alike, no. For the meantime, kay since bagway lamang naabli last Friday, perhaps I had a side bit of highlights na gusto nako i-share sa inyo ha for this juncture, as the Duaw Davao celebration kicks off last Friday night at the San Pedro Square, specifically sa may Rizal Park stage. So let's watch this.
And together, let's count down in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
From our Mayor Sebastian Duterte to our fellow government workers, the Davao City Events Executive Committee, valued partners and sponsors, talented performers, our fellow Davaoenyos and visitors, maayong gabi. Daghang salamat sa inyong pakiguyok karong gabi una as we formally kick off the festivities for Duaw Davao 2026. Now on its third year, we once again celebrate Duaw Davao to showcase what Davao City has to offer both Davaoenyos and visitors alike, and to provide support to our local tourism industry stakeholders. Tonight, we invite everyone to take part in this month-long celebration with the various events categorized under 4 dynamic pillars. Duaw Davao ta sa Davao Turismo, Duaw ta sa Arts and Colors, Duaw ta sa Davao Sports and Lifestyle, o Duaw ta sa Fiesta sa San Pedro. Duaw Davao will provide a platform for our local artists, artisans, and filmmakers. It will give our active LGBTQ community the opportunity to showcase their talents and push their advocacies. It will enable Dabaweños and visitors to engage in various sports competitions. DUA will also open learning experiences to more about key areas in the city that have shaped our history, and it will boost our local tourism and tourism-related establishments. Our resorts and accommodation establishments, our malls, restaurants, and coffee shops, our small and medium entrepreneurs, and all Dabaweños who live depend on tourism-related industries. We are inviting Filipinos and foreign nationals alike to Duao sa Davao to come and visit, to experience and enjoy Davao City. Ginaawag nako ang tanang Dabaweño to go and explore the city. And while we take part in the festivities, let us also be law-abiding citizens, practicing the culture of security and ensuring that this month-long celebration is both peaceful and enjoyable. Also, with our current challenges in garbage disposal, we would like to remind Dabaweños to reuse, reduce, recycle at home, and to be responsible and disciplinadong Dabaweños. The city government is doing all that we can, but we need your help to ensure that our city remains clean and safe for us all. Ikan sa atong halandong Mayor, Sebastian Z. Duterte, sa mga kausap pa, daghang salamat at maayong gabi sa inyong tanan.
There. So prior to that sa katong opening nila gyud officially open attorney is nagpasundayag gyud sila ani nga right before it started.
Mm-mm. So I think ang kalainan siguro aning although lahat man mga parade, may mga beauty contest diri sa atong Duao Davao sa ato ang June more on siya arts, performances, inclusivity. I hope to watch some of those short films siguro kung asa ba ni siya ipalabas CD ang mga short films sa atong mga sinihan or na yung mga venues ba?
Actually, attorney, it's at Cinematech. Tapad baya na sa DCIPC building where it houses the Davao City Investment Promotion Center and Davao City Tourism Operations Office. It's right along People's Park gyud.
Oo. Kanang unsa na siya, naibayad na siya or libre na siya CD?
I believe it's free. So,
okay.
wala may problema kung kung matanaw mo short film because namanggoy isa ka festivity. It is part of the schedule of activity sa Duao Davao, but we will gonna talk about it in the next episode if given na masingit natin for the event that you are mentioning.
Okay.
So ato nang ipadayon attorney ang video.
Okay.
Good morning, no? That those mo ang mga singers which is Hanami Pitro and the concert leading Sindangan 2025 Abigail Balibi. Sing the main song of the festivity Duao Davao. And of course, presentation sa mga Reyna Dabaweña or Reyna ng Davao
Ayun.
or Davao Reynas to be exact. Mao na ginatawag na karon. And of course, at the end of the program, dili magpa-picture ang mga various people. Specifically, it involves public officials, private sectors, deputy mayors, sponsors, and of course, kaming mga media. Pero ako lang siguro ang media nga naka-appeal sa photo ops with the Vice Mayor Rigo Duterte and
Yes.
Bulenito Tormes Jr.
Dami rin pala Pati ating mga mutya yan. Mm.
There, Ganda Bawenya,
Ganda
Sorna,
daw.
Ganda Reynas to be exact.
Ganda Reyna. Okay.
Ang mga Reyna ng Davao candidates for this year. O, nata, aning dapita.
Ayun.
Yes, nakiglamano with, of course, the OIC of
Vice
Senator
Mayor.
Hitchem and Vice Mayor Rigo Duterte.
Mm.
With Jean Bangayan, to be specific.
Ayun.
Mm. Ayan. So, that's about it, no?
Okay,
Ang
nice.
first video. And that's the highlights of the opening or kick-off sa Duao Davao 2026.
That was Friday, no? Last June 5, no?
June 5,
dito
yes.
sa atong City Hall sa San Pedro.
Oo.
Okay.
But of course, syempre, kaduhay na higayon na ako attend anang Duao Davao, which is fortunate na at least nakahatag og higayon na to witness such. Pero ani attorney, no, medyo on the lighter side of this. But as someone who is an advocate of gender and development, how do you see yung mga members of the Federation, to be exact, but we call them the lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender community with sa pag-understand sa atuang mga kaigsunan, not just only Tagalog respeto, to be exact, but of course, the message that is very important to have that inclusivity. How do you see it na inclusive na gyud,
Yes.
especially for cooperatives?
Actually, no, meron naman tayong mga inclusion, walang mga prejudice. It is a celebration. Actually, ang ating Pride Month is a celebration not only here but also internationally. Medyo matagal-tagal na rin yan sa mga other first world countries. Pero I'm just glad that the city of Davao has officially endorsed and sponsored, supported, and boosted this awareness, this itong respeto, at yung mga activities. So siguro mas akin ang expectation siguro baka later on kung pati sa sports, no, lingaw siguro kaayo, no, kung ano na po, inclusive na kaayo, no, but of course there will be some sports na medyo panglalaki ra gyud pang babae, but opening it na for the spirit of fun, camaraderie, o kaning health and wellness, that would be very very welcome indeed, no. So siguro sa mga kooperatiba diha nga murag ni mo appeal pod sa Pride Month, no, thank you for your support, and isa ito sa mga advokasya ng ating mga cooperatives na concerned for the community. May mga funding yung ating mga ibang mga cooperatives dyan na medyo mayaman-yaman na, at salamat sa pag-support ninyo dito sa ating Pride Month. Not only for here in the city of Davao, for sa iba't ibang lugar din ng Pilipinas for this June Pride Month, CD.
Ayun. So technically, syempre, not on speaking of sports, no, you have mentioned kay bagwa lang nahuman siguro, as what Sir Will had mentioned to me, nga volleyball competition dito sa Almendras, which is bagway lamang nahuman, no, aning ilang championship.
Okay.
Congrats to the winners.
Yes, and of course to all participants, everybody's a winner. Kapag sa sports kasi wala namang manalo na talo technically kasi samahan, physical fitness, and of course our preparation and discipline will also pay off, no. So congrats again to all the winners.
But don't forget, if you have a smartwatch, better check your heartbeat.
Heartbeat. Init na yung panahon, so pagbantay gintang heat stroke, sige itang tubig, no, dili po dayon. Magkumpiyansa, dalagya pog payong kay muulan na pud pagkagabi.
My goodness. Pero ang usa lang na nako na ginahulat, no, is kung kanus apa ko makapdula og pickleball.
Lagi, grabe. Murag dison makay mag-book karon og unsa pickleball, dili lang diri sa Davao, maski sa lain lugar daw. Fully booked na dison kay mag-booking.
Puno ra ba? Oo. But
sige lang,
anyway,
mangitatag,
let's have it reserve na lang sa mother time kung let's leave it na pahumanay man good ang Duaw Davao. Let it finish kay gusto nato na ma-experience pa bahalag why festivity na championship man or wala, importante naagi hapon ang pickleball nga nagbaha sa
Yes,
tibok ang dakdayan.
Siguro ibunya ko na ng konti yung sikreto sa mga co-ops, no? Meron kaming
Oo.
pinaplano na mga inter-co-op na pickleball tournament na matatapos sa October sa co-op month para makita natin kung sinong co-op dito sa Davao and sa Davao region ang pinakaastig sa pickleball.
Oh,
Ayan, oo.
very
So
intriguing.
abangan ninyo yan after ng ating
Yes.
June month, baka July, August, September na mag-culminate tayo na October.
Oh. Taas na kayo ng atong banter because we will have a
Yes.
short break muna for our sponsors. Don't go away. Balik ta man lamang ni Amy.
Babalik kami.
This program is brought to you by Montefrio Garden Resort, your Highland escape.
Ventosa Law Office of Attorney Jose Vicente C. Ventosa III. For appointments, please call 0922 Ventosa or 0922-83-68672. Colors Flower Shop, Rigodon West for wellness, events, sports, and trainings.
Watch Attorney Blue Ventosa every Friday night in the program ABC Anuncio Batas at Cooperativa, 7 p.m. every Friday night at Double Lawyer Facebook page and Double Lawyer YouTube channel.
Mabuhay Madayaw! I am Attorney Christine Joy Bermudo, your Sinag ng Davao 2026, and you are watching Kadangkan Live with Carlo Valer.
Mabuhay Madayaw! Ako si Robin Grace Udali, ang inyong pagdubay ng Davao 2026. You're watching Kadangban Live with Carlo Dolier.
Alright, and we are back.
Yes, if you just join us, you're watching episode 17 ng inyong Sunday Habit, Attorney Blue and Carlo Deler, ABCD.
Yes, and of course, before ta magpadayon sa tuang episode, gusto lang nako i-share ang pagtimbaya, birthday greetings, belated happy birthday BI to na-addict na pod sa pickleball ani nga kaubanan namo sa buhat, of
Oo.
course, the one and only Rudolph Alama of the Philippine Information Agency. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Rudolph! Na-addict na po
And
sa
of course,
pickleball.
nahawa na siya sa pickleball gyud.
Mm.
Oo. And of course, belated happy birthday also to Davao Events host and former Sinag ng Davao 2016, Maria Caris Gabriela or Kai Del Coro. Happy birthday to you. And sa mga birthday karon o sa mga mag-birthday pa lamang, happy birthday to all of you in advance, belated, or if your birthday is today, happy birthday. May
Yes,
have many
for the
more
whole month
birthdays
of
to
June
come.
na, itingob na nato. Happy birthday din sa mga June birthday celebrants. Ayan.
Yes, oo. So, before ko mag-proceed sa next one, I think, attorney, no, mangutan ako sa imo ha with regard sa ingon nato nga because you have been traveling a lot, no, and ako po naga-travel man pod ko, pero in your case, eroplano man pod, kung dili man sa domestic, international man pod.
Salamat ta sa atong cooperative movement nga usay ipadala ta sa maski sa isod nga panahon karon kay we never stop learning man gyud, no, and daghan kang mga historical places nga tuan like katong dito sa UK na dito ang usa sa mga gisulti nga birthplace of cooperatives, and sa Japan last year, no. So I don't know which place that will be going this year, kay ang usa sa mga murag ginasulti pod nga kanang mecca of cooperativism is Mondragon, Spain. And that's one of my murag bucket list in so far as kaning pasyalan ng cooperative movement is concerned. Sana matuloy yung aming plano ng aming co-op na may magpadala galing sa Silangan Multipurpose Cooperative doon sa Mondragon, Spain this year.
Oo, so daan pa lang bag-amping diya sa biyahe for that.
Yes,
Pero mag-ask ko if are you very meticulous in seeing mo nato nga fare rates for the flights na ginaadto or plano pa ninyong adtuan for that?
Yes, alam natin kung marami-rami tayo, makakatipid tayo kaya dirita karon sa mga group packages, group tours, no. In fact, yung the other day yung ating I think nag-end din kanina today yung ating Philippine Travel Agency, no, dito sa SMX Lanang, baka may mapakita rin tayo mamaya mga highlights. So it's nice na dito sila sa Davao din nag-converge at nag-promote, no. So kahit siguro mahirap yung panahon, pa rin marami pa rin na naghahangad na mapuntahan yung kanilang mga bucket list at maganda na may mga packages na, may mga fly now pay later, may mga mga promo, may mga freebies kaya lang kahit mahirap yung panahon mag-enjoy din sometime.
Yeah. So speaking of that, no, kay syempre we were one of the media partners, so naka-witness aning maong opening ceremony sa 33rd Philippine Travel Agencies Association Travel Tour Expo, which is first time nila gi-mount diri sa atuang syudad sa Davao, to be honest.
Yes, bonggisius gid kaayo siya no, niagi man ko dito katong unsa gahapon, no. So please mount sa nato nga daghan gyapong tao. So hopefully nga mas mo unsa pa ni ipadayon gyud ni og maski na lain pa sa mga laing mga months or within the year, mas mo gapo unta kung naapoy maski ma-follow up ani para sa ani na pangyayari CD.
All right, so setting aside with talk, so ato ang i-feature ang highlights sa opening ceremony last Friday, which is right before ng atong giadtuan ang opening ceremony sa Duao, Davao. Let's watch this.
In 1, 2, and 3. Ladies and gentlemen, with the unified riddance of the 11 tribes of Davao, we declare that PTA Travel Tour Expo 2020 resides with an addition to 2026 officially open.
As we begin this historic 33rd PTA Travel Tour Expo Vismin edition in Davao, let us move forward with optimism, resilience, and a shared commitment to the future of Philippine tourism. To all our sponsors, exhibitors, international sellers, tourism boards, airlines, hotels, resorts, cruises, and travel partners, we sincerely hope that these 3 days translate into strong sales, successful business transactions, lasting partnerships, and future growth for your organizations. May every conversation lead to an opportunity, every handshake to a partnership, and every booking to greater prosperity in the months and years ahead. Together, let us continue building bridges, creating opportunities, and showcasing the very best of the Philippines and the world to travelers everywhere. Love the Philippines, love the world.
That is exactly why the Travel Tour Expo Vismin Edition exists. PTA Vismin was created to bridge distances and bring opportunities closer to our tourism stakeholders in the regions. It recognizes that tourism growth should not be concentrated in one place, but should be shared across the entire country and to the world. More importantly, PTA Vismin provides an equal playing field for our colleagues in the Visayas and Mindanao. It serves as a platform where regional destinations, tourism enterprises, local governments, and industry partners can showcase their strengths and connect with the broader tourism market.
I would like to take this opportunity to thank our PTAA for choosing Davao to be this year's host for the biggest and the best travel tour expo. And we're very happy because Davao City, just now I received received from our planning division, we had an increase of 19% of travelers from January to April for this year. So we're very happy because this event is also our way of boosting Davao City's presence to the world. And today also marks the opening of Duao Davao. At the same time, you can see I'm wearing Duao Davao shirt. So I think I'm underdressed for today's event, but I want to flex our shirt. So Duao Davao is our second festival of the year. As you can see, kanina, we've shown you our 4 festivals. And this year, Duao Davao is much bigger and more colorful because of PTAA's presence. So congratulations and thank you so much for choosing Davao for this year's event.
I'm Liza, your sales account manager for Amorita Resort Bohol and Amorita Resort and Spa in Puerto Princesa. So for both resort, we are luxury resort. So for Amorita Bohol, we have total of 98 rooms, and it's just near in the airport. It's just 10 to 5 minutes away from the airport. And then what you can do in Bohol, so you can visit the Chocolate Hill, Tertiary, and of course you can enjoy the facilities also in a resort. So you can do archery, kayaking, stand-up paddle, and then if you book during weekdays, during Wednesday, we have a free cocktails during 4:30 to 5:30. It's perfect to have a sunset to go down that time. And then during Friday, we also have the same that. And then of course for Amorita Resort and Spa in PPS, it's a newly opened resort. We just opened this year. So it's a new luxury hotel in Puerto Princesa. So we have total of 68 rooms, and then we have a grand ballroom can accommodate up to 240 to 250 depending on the setup. And then you will see there are different kind of villa also, since it's a detached villas, and it's inspired by the underground river. Yes.
Okay, so with of course the participation here at the PTAA Travel Tour Expo here in Davao, of course, what are also the expectations if ever they're interested, and if ever kung even matapos na itong expo, how can they reach out to you in case for reservation?
So you can visit our website. It's www.amorita.com. So you can choose the boat resort naman is nandun na po, and then you can also call our number is also posted in our website, and then maybe you can reach also our Instagram or Facebook. We are very reachable for that. And then for the corporate naman po, we also have posted our email address there, so you can email sales@oneofcollection.com.ph.
We invite our Davaoenos and Mindanaoans to visit your booth here.
You can visit our booth. So we are here until Sunday. So we are booth number 13.
We are El Rio Resort. My name is Ginny. We are a beach resort, dive resort in Coron. We have 34 rooms in total. If you are interested in diving, we can accommodate you. If you are family and couple, the best place to stay, El Rio po. Now is a sign that the Boenos will visit Coron as a destination, and part of it is our resort. We are near the stage lang po, and easy to locate. Booth number 58.
There you go. So mga highlights, no, and interviewed some of those na mga naglangkob, no.
Ang na-interview nimo na time ito mga social good nga mga unsa, no?
Yes.
Dito sa Bohol og sa kaning Palawan kay as dili kay daghan siguro ang ilang rooms pero ambot unsa ka dollar pud to kay murag 58 rooms lang usa, ang isa 78, then ilang ballroom is 200. So if alam natin kapag hindi masyado marami yung guests, so diha gina nila bawion sa ilahang mga rates. But I know for a fact na nindot yun na atuan ng Bohol o kaning atong Palawan diha dapit sa Coron pakukaan na diha. Alam mo ba, CD, I don't know how true yung nakapunta ako doon sa may isang convention ng mga insurance agents diyan sa Bohol. Meron daw pala diyan na resort na tingnan ko taas man kay ni siyang pader, sunod murag unsa man kaayo ka nang murag magdili pa sudlan kay so pala yun siya, parang private na na resort na 200,000 a day daw yung room. I don't know how true kay basig dollars kayo ba or baka kailangan mo kailangan mo i-book yung buong lugar na yon. Kaya nakalimutan ko lang yung pangalan kasi sabi ko muli kay tanay kay 200,000 a day man ng ihang rates diha CD.
Murag di ka afford. But anyway, di na nato mapugos kung kay gusto man nato na naib for a budget kung na resort, pero bahala na kay as far as I know that not all resorts are meant to the open for public consumption or open to the public. They usually they started it out for, as per what I can remember in the history of people, they own their own resorts privately. Para lang sila murag rest house man nila, good for the family.
Tapos katong extended families and friends offer magbayad, and in fact diri sa atong Island Garden City of Samal sa Igapos na may mga resorts diya by appointment lang dili ka basta makasulod dayon. So nakataon lang katong usang imbita ko sa kasal nga nakaadto ko atong resort nga without invitation kay gi-invite man ko sa gikasal. Wala nga nakasuod mi dito.
Na wrong turn naman. But of course, kay syempre, speaking of that, I would like to promote, of course, Montefrio Garden Resort, located at Sitio Mainit, Barangay Kapatagan, Digos City, Davao del Sur. And if you want to have your reservations overnight sa inyong stay, you may message na lang sa Montefrio Garden Resort Facebook page. Because as far as I know, kaya ang history man good, it's, of course, I would like to personally greet Sir Luis Salazar, the sales and marketing executive of the aforementioned resort, because the Salazar family owns it. And of course, it started as a private as we speak. But of course, it cannot be denied na why not iabli to the
public na
travelers para gusto nila mag-day tour or mag overnight. Pero mas better kung day tour kay they will see the majestic Mount Apo, but depending on the weather
yapon. Ayan.
And of course, syempre kay there are so many amenities to choose from. It's either sa taas or sa baba katong mga bag-ong amenities. Pero napay isa na dili pa nako pwedeng i-mention dire because it's a surprise muna.
Sige, so aabangan sa sunod nating mga episodes and siguro magpa-invite rin ako diyan sa Salazar family na pupunta diyan sa Montefrio kaya hindi pa talaga kami nakapunta, so magpauban siguro ko sa MOCD pero
sige, I will inform Sir Luis if given. Pero syempre di man nato pwedeng i-mention tanan kay basin maunsya min na pod ang atong travel. But anyway, if you have just joined us, this is the second stretch of our program, ABCD. You're still with us, CD, Carlo Dolier.
And AB, Attorney Blue Ventosa.
Mubalik lang ta sa tuang pagpanaguban-uban, human lamang sa pipila lamang ka mga pahibalo. Stand by.
This program is brought to you by Montefrio Garden Resort, your Highland escape.
Ventosa Law Office of Attorney Jose Vicente C. Ventosa III. For appointments, please call 0922 Ventosa or 0922-83-68672. Colors Flower Shop, Rigodon West for wellness, events, sports, and trainings.
Watch Attorney Blue Ventosa every Saturday night in the program, The Attorney Blue Show, 7 p.m. every Saturday night at Devil Lawyer Facebook page and Devil Lawyer YouTube channel.
Hi everybody, my name is Alexa Rhoda and I am your Miss Earth Australia 2025 and we are here with Kadang Pang Live with Carlo Delier.
Alright, and we're back.
So tayo ay nasa episode 17 na sa ating programa. It's June 17, 2026. Ano na, may start na talaga ng June. Magkakalahati na yung taon ng 2026, CD.
Murag, again, Oktaba, natabunan ang wedding month kay June baya ni. But at the same time, there is also so many awareness and syempre consciousness months to be exact na di na ako mahihap. Pero syempre ang pinaka-main ana is aside sa Pride Month is of course Father's Day.
Yes.
But of course, attorney, I would ask as a father of 2 children, what was of course ang ingon nato nga mga ginahatag og advice to your children while they were growing up? And even though layo na kayo sila sa imuha and
Yes.
syempre dagantag mga memories na imong mahinumduman for while they're still young.
Nakalit lang kami ni Mrs. no nga sa una duhami tapos sunod-sunod man tong mga bata na gipanganak. Then karon duha na lang pod mi balik kay na naman sa layo. Although na man gyapon diri sa Pilipinas sa mga children namo, but we also ang amo amang pod nga pasalamat nga maayo ang ilang pag estudyante sa ilang formation sa school, no? Kaya sabi lang namin na you just follow the golden rule, just do unto others what you wanted to do unto you, and just follow your dreams lang, no? Kanang asa mo nga kanang gusto man narbaho nga dali lang kay if you enjoy your work, it's not like work na murag dili kakapuyon kay mo ng passion. And of course, nga pod nga napoy gamay nga mga returns, no, sa imong investment, no. So kanang makabuhi pod siguro sa imong pamilya o sa makatabang pod ka diri sa atong community at the same time.
Ayun, so maura to, no, technically daghantag gina-problema pero syempre mahawasan na ra in case nga syempre as what the interviews before na ikaw na akong na-invite with the mutya.
Mutya, yes. Oo. Lahi na gid ang mga kabatanunan karon pero they always come back to their parents na once in a while. So naagani di ba katong atong na interview nga murag pretend lang sila nga wala sila kwarta kay para mga lambing-lambing lang sa ilang parents, especially sa dads, no, kay traditionally ang mga lalaki o papa man ang kaning ato ang kaning pakita gyud og unsa livelihood. But alam natin in our society din meron na rin tayong mga single parents na mga babae kaya yun, that's the talaga nga the reality, no, na iiwanan din tayo ng ating mga anak pero babalik din yan sila paminsan-minsan para humingi ng pera or lambing lang. Ayan.
Oo. Pero last question na lang, attorney, before we go on sa next segment. Do you still believe na gihapon ang mga ingon nato nga mga terminologies katong mga kabatan-unan karon and even way back na may favorite na anak or kumbaga nagyapon ang instinct na papa's girl or daddy's boy ana
naaman siguro gihapon, but sometimes we just don't openly show it, no, kay labi na ka ng unsa gamay lang, duha tulo upat lang imong anak, so pwede mo bigyan ng equal time and effort and love, no, and material nga kanang unsa mga windfalls kay dili man kayo nagalisod pud gani kung daghan kaayo basig na uban ma-neglect nato, no, but openly siguro sa ato karon nga as much as possible ipakita gid mo nga fair, pero deep down na gyud gihapon kay paborito diha, dili lang nimo i-vulgar kay syempre mas light po ang uban niya mga igsuon.
Agoy. Murag mabikil taan na kay syempre depende na lang na kung kinsay paborito or kinsay maliwat ating mga no. But anyway, we will go on sa tuang final segment as of course may nalang gani kay na okay naman gud ang akong naong bisan pa nga way makeup mao magyapon akong naong, no.
Oo.
Because you know dagan no
meron tayong surprise dito.
pag-cover sa pageant nga pagrampa ilabi na sa mga fashion show, but never in my life nga maka-appeal ko sa fashion show sa entablado, attorney.
Oo, sunod. Naapagin ko dito, witness pag-yun ko, so baka ma-share mo ngayon later, no, yung ating mga videos dyan, CD.
Disclaimer lang sa mga nagalantaw, bahalag mo ingon ko bagag naong basta ko'y uwaw anim ipakita sa inyo, ha.
Okay.
So let's watch this, my experience in a fashion show courtesy of someone that I know. Let's watch. Ayan. Yung makita, gina-make up ragyud ko ato before the show.
Lagi. Okay. May kaya na tayo time-lapse karon.
Israel the Maulaw bootleg version. Bootleg.
No.
Ayan.
Grabe yan ang ating pag-make up.
Sa media, yes. Masyak na lang si Israel na anima. Nanakoy labot aningan mo, fashion show.
But of course, again, it's optional raba if you want to have your face being made up by a makeup artist.
Never ba ako gina-make up?
That is why earlier this week when CD invited me, fashion show. Kauban yun dahil si CD dahil diri.
Oh my goodness. Okay, balikan nato, ha?
Tingnan natin.
Si mao na to, mga nakadayang models.
Oo.
Yan. But it's the first time that I have worn a barong courtesy of Miss Joy Su.
Ayun.
Siya man gud ang tag-iya sa House of Musa or Musa Fabric.
Oo, maganda mga tela nila. Oo.
And here comes ako.
Ayan.
Balag ambot ng akong posing diha. Anyway, together with the veteran photographer Miss Joji Alcantara nga nakiguyog sad sa
si Joji pala yan, oo. Ayun.
Yeah. And with another reporter nga colleague namo from different media entity, which is of course appears to be a sports editor of a certain newspaper, local newspaper in Davao.
Oo.
So, mao to. There you go. It was an experience like no other
may
to be.
bata din. Oo, ganda.
Yeah.
Ito bang mga gisuot ninyo, binalik ito or bigay na sa inyo ito?
Actually, gihatag man na sa collab. just for this fashion show.
Yes.
Beat works by Joseph De La Torre. Layout Marie Vax by attorney Tata Moral. House of Lusa Director Hong Kong and Korea and owner of SAS Travel and Tours, Florices Padla. And Lusa Designer and Lusa Advocacy Founder, Miss Gazelle Joy Sue.
Yan mao ni ang naka-tom na nagsuot sa pusa sapo.
Ayan. Okay.
Ayan.
Nindot kaya di alam mga mga barongs, yung mga gowns, no?
Yes. And it's made of banana fibers. Oo.
Ayan, mga photos natin. Si CD, oh.
Oh my goodness. Lagi ba yung feeling kung gwapo ka nga naka-make up?
Lagi na.
Wala ko kasabot.
Gaan ba? Or kanang unsa ba? Kanang di numero ka malihok.
Oh my God. Mura gano. Ang, syempre, mao na yan, wa pa na usang sinaunang taong nga way make up. But anyway.
Yes, congrats on your first fashion show, ha?
First. But I don't know kung nay kasunod pa kay ambot lang kung unsay ipasulob na pud sa kuan.
Sige lang, at least successful tong sa gahapon na nakita ko dito. That's why it's just nga wala ko kadugay kay na po ilaing meeting, but enjoy pud ko, no? So mo na nga ganinang buntag ni balik na pud mi dito sa expo ni Mrs. Tanaw-tanaw atong mga uban dito mga package kung unsa ba na makaya ba sa budget or sa oras. Ayan.
Yes. And of course, we reached to the point nga kapaspas ba sa oras.
Yes, hapit na pud mahurot atong oras.
Lagi. Siyempre, kay daghan naon nga ipa-feature, pero siyempre, reserva na lang nato na for the next, to be specific. Don't forget, every Sunday habit, alas 5 sa hapon, sa Kadangpan Digital Facebook page o YouTube channel, and attorney
Davao Lawyer Facebook page and Davao Lawyer YouTube channel.
Again, sa mga nagalantaw sa replay, ayaw kalimot, i-comment down below ang inyong pagtimbaya, and ayaw pud kalimot ibutang ang inyong lugar kung asa mo nagalantaw, and we will try our best to watch your comments as much as possible to greet you. And of course, attorney, naaba kay parting message for this episode before we wrap things up?
Just like again to greet happy birthday sa akong friend sa June 9 diha, si Miss Grace Mamon Braga. So pabusugin niyo na kami, ha. sa ngayon Tuesday. See you soon.
Yes. And of course, I would like to personally thank you to Ma'am Florices Tadla, kay siya man gyud mismo ang ipasingit gyud yours truly diya sa maong fashion show yesterday, and I am honored to be part of it. And before we end, we leave this episode with the verse as usual. So ang verse for the week, let no man seek his own, but every man another's wealth. That's the verse of 1 Corinthians chapter 10 verse 24. And we of course bade farewell by greeting all of you. Mabuhay o madayaw. See you again next week.
See you next week.
This program is brought to you by Montefrio Garden Resort, your Highland escape.
Ventosa Law Office of Attorney Jose Vicente C. Ventosa III For appointments, please call 0922 Ventosa or 0922-83-68672. Colors Flower Shop, Rigodon West for wellness, events, sports, and trainings.